Hello students, welcome to the 6th lecture on the lecture series on averages. So previously we were doing some previous year questions and we will continue to do so in this lecture also. So let's go forward with this 6th lecture. Okay, so we will be covering previous year questions. So let's go forward with problem number 1. So in a family, the average age of father and mother is 35 years. Okay, so average age of father, mother and their only son is 27 years. So what is the age of the son? Okay, let the father age be A and the mother's age be B and the son's age be C. This much by 3 is equal to 27 is what you know. Okay, so this implies that A plus B by 3 is equal to 27 minus C by 3. Right. So this implies that A plus B is equal to what? 27 into 3 minus C. Right. So, and we are given that A plus B by 2 is equal to 35 is given. So this implies that A plus B is equal to what? 70. Right. So we can equate this equation 1 and 2. Okay. Comparing these two, what we can say is 70 is equal to actually 81 minus C. Right. So this implies that C is equal to 81 minus 70. That will be equal to what? 11. So 11 will be the correct answer. So these are all wrong answers. 10.5, 12 and 10. Okay. So the only correct answer is this. So this question has been asked in SSC CGL first sitting of 2010 paper. Okay. So let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So the father's age plus mother's age is equal to what? 2 into 35 is equal to 70 years, right? So father plus mother plus son's age will be 27 into 3 is equal to 81 years, right? So son's age will be 81 minus 70 is equal to 11 years, okay? This is what we have also proved in mathematical terms, okay? What we did was we converted this word problem to an algebraic equation, then we solved it for C and we got the final answer, that was 11, okay? So let's go forward with problem number 2. So the average of odd numbers up to 100 is what? 50.5, 49.5, 50 or 49. Okay, so this question has been asked in SSC CGL second sitting 2010 paper. Okay, so what we can do from here is, so the average age of odd numbers up to 100 is, okay, so what we can do is, we know the average number of first 50 even numbers is equal to what? First 50 numbers is equal to what? Is equal to 50 into 51 by 2. Okay, so this is not the average, this is the sum of the first 50 numbers is equal to what? This much, 25. So 25 into 51. Okay, so we all know that if we multiply each number, okay, so we have this sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus 50 is equal to this much, 25 into 51, right? So if we can do what? Multiply with 2 into 2 and into 2 in the RHS, right? So what we are left with is the sum of even numbers natural, okay, up to 100, right? So this is actually equal to what? 25 into 2, so it will be equal to 50 into 51, okay? So what we now know is the cumulative sum of all numbers up to 100, it is what? 100 into 101 by 2, right? So this much minus 50 into 51, that is the cumulative sum of all natural even numbers up to 100. So this is equal to what? So 100 into 101 minus 100 into 51, right, by 2. So this is actually equal to how much? So if I take common 100, so it will be 50 into 101 minus 51, because after taking 100 common, we divide it by 2 and we are left with 50. So this is equal to 50 into 50 is equal to 2500. So the cumulative sum of all odd natural numbers up to 100 is equal to 2500. So 2500 by 50, because there will be what? 50 natural odd numbers is equal to what? Is equal to 50. So 50 will be the correct answer here. Okay, 49, 49.5, these are all wrong solutions. Okay, so let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So average of first n natural odd number is equal to n. So number of odd numbers up to 100 is equal to 50. So sum of 50 odd numbers is equal to 50 square or n square. There is also this is a standard formula. Or we can also evaluate it in this kind of method. Okay, method 1, that is the fundamental one, and the method 2 is the formula method. Okay, so you can do any of these. Okay, so average is equal to 50 into 50 by 50 is equal to 50. So 50 will be the correct answer. So let's go forward with problem number 3. So the mean of 50 numbers is actually 30. So later it was discovered that two entries were wrongly entered as 82 and 13 instead of 28 and 31. So find the correct mean. Okay, or correct mean is also called average. Okay, so this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2011 paper. Okay, so what we can do is we can find the cumulative sum when the entries were wrongly entered. So it will be 50 into 30, right? It's equal to 1500, right? So what we can do is, because these numbers were wrongly entered, right? So we can negate this from this, that is minus 82 minus 13, and we can enter the right terms, plus 28 plus 31, and then what we can do is we can divide it by 50, and whatever we are left with is the actually new average. Okay, so let's go forward with the step-by-step solution. So the required average will be 30 plus 28 plus 31 minus 82 minus 31 by 50. So it will be equal to 30 plus minus 36 by 50 is equal to 30 minus 0.72 is equal to nothing but 29.28. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so 29.28, that is the option number C, is the correct one. 36.12 is wrong, 30.66 is wrong, 38.21 is wrong. Let's see problem number 4. So the average of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 12 more than 1/3 of the first of these numbers. So what is the last of these 3 numbers? Okay, so this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2011 paper. So if option A is correct, it will be 15. Option B is correct, then it will be 17. And if option C is correct, it will be 19. And if option D is correct, it will be data inadequate. So let's see which among these 4 is the actual correct answer. So the last 3 consecutive odd numbers are x, x plus 2 plus x plus 4, because the difference between 2 odd numbers is what? 2. So according to the question, x plus these odd numbers sum up and give a average of 12 plus 1/3 of x, right? The 12 more than the 1/3 of the first odd number. So 2x plus 6, what we can algebraic evaluate from here is 2x plus 6 is equal to 36. So this implies that x is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15, right? So 15 will be the x value. So the last number will be what? 15 plus 4, that is equal to 19, because the last number was x plus 4. So if x is equal to 15, x plus 4 is equal to 19. So 19 will be the correct answer. These are all wrong. 15, 17, data inadequate, these are wrong answers. So let's see problem number 5. So the average of 18 observations is recorded as 124. And later it was found that 2 observations with values 64 and 28 were entered wrongly as 46 and 82. So find the correct average of 18 observations. So again, this question has been appeared in SSC CGL second sitting 2011 paper. Okay, so let's see, is it 111 whole and 9/7 or one among these other 3? Okay, so difference in observation is equal to what? These are the entered observation. Okay, entered observation were these were wrong, and these are the correct ones. So the difference is 36 minus 36. So the correct average will be 124 minus 36 by 18 is equal to 122. So 122 will be the correct answer. So this is the correct one. These are all wrong options. Okay, so let's see problem number 6. So the average age of 4 boys 5 years ago was 9 years. Okay, so on including a new boy, the present average age of all the 5 is 15 years. So the present age of new boy is what? Okay. So what happened was the average age of 4 boys, okay, 5 years ago was 9 years. So 5 years ago, let their present age be XY. Okay. So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2012 paper. Okay. So sum of the present ages of the 4 boys is equal to 9 into 4 plus 20. Okay, is equal to 56 years. So sum of the present of the 5 boys will be 15 into 5 is equal to 75 years. So present age of the new boy is equal to 75 minus 56 is equal to 19 years. So 19 year will be the correct answer here. Okay. So let's see problem number 7. So if the average of 39, 48, 51, 63, 75, 83, x 69 is 60, then the value of x is what? Is it 52, 53, 50 or 51? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2012 paper. So 60 into 8 is equal to what? 39 plus 48 plus 51 plus 63 plus 75 plus 83 plus x plus 69 is equal to 428 plus x is equal to 480, right? So x is equal to 48 minus 428. So x is equal to 52 is the correct answer. So let's see problem number 8. So the average temperature of Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday was 30 degree and that of Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday was 33 degree, right? So if the temperature on Monday was 32 degree, then the temperature on Thursday was what? 30 degree, 32, 41 or 33 degree. So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL 2012 paper. So let Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday is equal to what? 90 degree. So Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday temperature was 99 degree. Okay, so Thursday minus Monday will be what? 9 degree. Thursday minus 32 will be 9 degree. So Thursday plus Thursday is equal to what? 32 plus 9 is equal to 41 degree. So 41 degree will be the correct answer. So let's see problem number 9. So the mean of 19 observation is 24. Their cumulative sum is equal to what? 24 into 19, right? So the mean of the first 10 observations is 17 and that of the last 10 observation is 24. So find the 10th observation. So cumulative sum of first 10 is equal to 10 into 17 and cumulative sum of last 10 is equal to 24 into 10, right? So difference, let's take the difference between these two. So 20 to 40 minus 170. So this is equal to what? 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. So 70 is the difference. So this is equal to what? The 10th observation. Okay. The mean of the first 10 observation is 17 and that of the last 10 observation is 24. Okay, so let's see. So 10th observation will be what? 24 into 10 plus 17 into 10 minus 19 into 24. Okay, because the average of the whole was 19 into 24. Okay, so what we need to do is we have to add these two and minus 19 into 24. Okay, so it will be what? So there was a slight mistake here. This will be equal to 410 minus 19 into 24 is equal to minus 46. Okay, so the answer will be minus 46 down here. Okay, so this will be the correct answer. 53, 37, these are all wrong answers. So let's see problem number 10. So the average age of a jury is 5. Okay, is 10. Average age of 5 jury is 10. Okay, if a member is 35 resigns and a man is 25 becomes a member, then the average of the new jury is what? 38, 42, 40 or 30. So SSC CGL second sitting 2012 paper. So required average is equal to 40 into 5 minus 35 plus 25 whole by 5, 190 by 5 is equal to 38 years. Okay, so this is how we have evaluated the answer, that is 38. This is the correct one. These are all wrong ones. Okay, so let's see problem number 12. So the average weight of 12 crewmen in a boat is increased by 1/3. So when one of the crewmen whose weight is 55 is actually replaced by a new man, what is the age of the new man? What is the weight of the new man? So this question has been appeared in SSC CHSL paper 2012 So weight of the new crewman will be what? Replaced man's weight by number of new crewman plus into increment in average is equal to 55 plus 12 into 1 by 3. Okay, because increment in average is 1 by 3 is equal to 59 kg. So this will be the correct answer. So let's see problem number 13. So out of 10 teachers of a school, one teacher retires in his place. Okay, new teacher of age 25 years joins. So as a result, what happens is average age of teacher is reduced by 3 years. Okay, so the age in years of the retired teacher is what? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting of 2013 paper. Okay, so let's see a step-by-step solution. So age of the retired teacher will be what? 25 plus 3 into 10 is equal to 55 years, right? So it will be 55 years. So let's see problem number 14. So the average age of 50 numbers is 38. Okay, so average of 50 numbers is 38. So if two numbers, namely 45 and 55, are discarded, okay, so the average of the remaining numbers will be what? So cumulative amount will be what? 50 into 38, right, is equal to cumulative amount, right? So what we do is we discard 45 and 55. Okay, so by discarding these two numbers, what we can do is 50 into 36 minus 45 minus 55 is equal to 50 into 36. It will be 1800, right? So this much minus 100 is equal to 1700 is the remaining cumulative amount of what? 48 numbers. So to get their average, 1700 by 48, because we have discarded two numbers now. So the average of the remaining number will be this much. Okay, so this will be what? So 850 by 24. So this is 12 and this is 425, right? So let's see. So the average will be 1800 by 48. Okay, so no, it won't be, was it 38? Oh, it was 38. Okay, so it will be how much? So 50 into 38. I have written 36 down here. So if it is 38, then what will happen is this will be 1900, right? 1900. So it will be 1800, and we'll be having what? 1800 by 48. Okay, so this will be 900 by 24, and this will be 450 by 12. So it will be 225 by 6. Okay, so 225 by 6, that is equal to actually 37.5. So the only correct answer here is 37.5. So this is the correct one. These are all wrong answers. Okay, so let's see problem number 15. A cricket player, after playing 10 tests, scored 100 runs in the 11th test. As a result, the average of his runs is increased by 5. So the present average of the runs is what? SSC CGL first sitting 2013 paper. Okay, so is it 45, 40, 50 or 55? So let's see. If the average of the 10 test is x, okay, we assume the average of the 10 test to be x. So assume. So then what happens is, this is the average, like, so x plus 5 is equal to x into 10 plus 100 whole by 11. So solving this algebraic equation, what we are left with is 10x minus 11x is equal to 55 minus 100. So this implies that minus x is equal to minus 45. So this implies that x is equal to 45. So x must be 45. Okay, x is 45. So the required average is x plus 5, that is equal to 50. Okay, so 50 will be the correct answer here. That is available in C. 45, 40 and 55 are wrong, respectively available at option A, B and D. Okay, so the only correct answer will be option C. So let's see problem number 16. The average of 9 numbers is actually 50. So the average age of 5, so the average of first 5 numbers is what? 54. That of the last 3 numbers is 52. Then the 6th number is what? So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting 2013 paper. Okay, average of 9 number is what? 50. So cumulative sum is equal to, or cumulative count is equal to 50 into 9 is equal to 450, right? So the average of the first 5 number is 54 and the last 3 number is what? 52. So then the 6th number will be what? Okay. So since there are 9 numbers, okay, so let's do this. So that cumulative sum of first 5 numbers is equal to 450 and the cumulative sum of the last 3 numbers is equal to how much? Cumulative sum of the first 5 numbers is equal to 54 into 5. Okay, and the cumulative sum of last 3 numbers is equal to 52 into 3, right? And the whole sum is equal to 450 minus this much. So the only remaining term here is the 6th term. So this will be equal to what? 450 minus this is equal to 70 plus 52. So 156. Okay. So this will be equal to what? So minus this. Okay. This there will be minus. We can write this as plus if we have a bracket down here. Okay. So after all the calculations, what we are left with is this one. Okay. So this will be 180 minus 156. So this will be what? So 24 will be the correct answer. So A is the correct one and C are wrong. C, B and D, these are all wrong answer. So 9 into 50 minus 5 into 54 minus 3 into 52. This is the average of the last 3 numbers, average of the first 5 numbers and average of the first 9 numbers or whole 9 numbers is equal to this much, that is 24. So the average of the first 9 integral multiples of 3 is equal to what? 15, 18, 12 or 21. Let's see which among these 4 is actually correct. So this question has been appeared in SSC CGL first sitting of 2013 paper. Okay, so the required average will be 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 9 whole by 9 is equal to 9 into 10 whole by 2 into 3 is equal to 9 into 10 is equal to what? 90 by 6. So it will be equal to by dividing by 3, it is 30 by 2 is equal to 15, right? So 15 is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So let's see the average of the first 5 multiples of 7 will be what? So average of the first 5 multiples of 7. So 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus what? It will be, okay, we can also write it very cleverly, that is 7 into 1 plus 7 into 2 plus 7 into 3. Okay, there will be plus here plus dot 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 plus 7 into 7. Okay, these are the first 5 multiples of 7 and their average will be what? Is by whole by 7. If we take 7 common from the, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 7 whole into 7 whole by 7. So dividing 7 by 7 is equal to what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 plus 7. So we know the sum of first n positive numbers will be what? Is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 into 7 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 into 8 by 2. So that is equal to 56 by 2 is equal to 28. Okay, so 28 will be the correct answer. Okay, so let's go forward. So this will be 7 plus 14 plus, okay, first 5 multiples it told us. Okay, that's why we got a different answer. So it will be what? Up to 5, right? So it will be up to 4 plus 5. So n into n plus 1 will be what? It will be 5 into 5 plus 1 whole by 2 is equal to 5 into, so it will be 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so their cumulative sum will be this much amount. Okay, so 7 plus 14 plus 21. So this is not the correct one. So the correct answer will be 15. Okay, so there is a typo here. This should be 15 and this will be the correct one. Okay, so let's go forward with the problem number 19. So out of 20 boys, 6 are each of 1 meter 15 centimeter height. Okay, so 8 are of 1 meter 10 centimeter and the rest are of 1 meter 12 centimeter. So the average height of all of them is what? So this question has been appeared in SSC multitasking 2013 paper. So is it 1 meter and 12.1 centimeter or any one among these? A, C, D option. Let's see. So average height will be what? 6 into 1.15 plus 8 into 1.10 plus 6 into 1.12 whole by 20. So it is nothing but 22.42 by 20. So if you divide this by this, so what we are left with is 1.121. Okay, or it is 1 meter and 12.1 centimeter. So let's see problem number 21. If average of the first 5 prime numbers is what? Okay, so average of the first prime number. So the first prime number is 2, then 3 plus 5, then 7, then 11, right? So these are the first 5 prime numbers. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 by 5 is equal to what? So this is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 17. So this will be 28 by 5. Okay, so 28 by 5 is the correct answer. So 28 by 5 is equal to what? 5.6. So 5.6 is the correct option, that is C. So these are all wrong options. The only correct option is option number C. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you.